been riding Fiido Titan with a 3-battery combo for a long time, and I like it for a lot of reasons. The bike has a good amount of power, plenty of range, massive 26 inches fat tires, and a torque sensor which greatly improves the riding experience. To learn more about these and many other features, make sure to watch the entire video. The bike comes in a Fiido branded box and it arrives safely packed with no transportation damage. The two-wheeled heavy-duty urban SUV branding lets you know that you'll be dealing with a massive e-bike. I like that Fiido uses these accessory boxes where all items are packed neatly and safely. More manufacturers should do that to avoid any transportation damage. In the box, you get all the parts that need to be assembled, tools, a charger and a cable, and so on. The 3-battery combo is also neatly packed and it comes with 2 batteries, the rack, 2 battery cases, assembly parts, tools, and so on. It took me about 30 minutes to fully assemble the bike and the battery rack. In case you need help, check out the manufacturer's easy-to-follow tutorial on both the bike and the battery rack assembly. At the time of this video, the bike with a 3-battery combo costs €2,197 in the EU. The standard model with 1 battery costs €14.99. Check out the links in the video description for the latest prices and other information. If you're looking for an e-bike that can go pretty much anywhere, the Titan is a great option. Fiido advertises this bike as a 2-wheel SUV, and while it's marketing material, I think it's pretty accurate because the bike combines off-road and cargo carrying capabilities in one package. The Titan's massive 26 by 4 inches wheels make the bike big, but it allows the vehicle to go on pretty much any terrain without any issues. The key specs include a powerful motor, the bike is fast when the speed is unlocked, it has a good capacity battery, and other features. The frame looks and feels strong, there are no moving or rattling parts, the vehicle has a massive 200 kilograms load capacity, and the overall build quality of the bike is excellent. A rear rack has this nice real wood base, and a huge load capacity allows you to carry heavy cargo. You also get an option to mount a front rack. I like these one-piece alloy rims. They're more durable and look nicer compared to the traditional spoke wheel design. The battery rack is also sturdy and it keeps the batteries secure even while riding the bike off-road. The batteries are kept in these pouches that are buckled up for extra safety. The battery cases are nice and snug and they do not move while riding the bike. You can adjust the seat height to fit most riders' heights. The handlebar height is not adjustable, but you can change the angle of it. For my height, I found the ergonomics of the bike to be very good. One of the key selling points of the Titan, a torque sensor that measures the amount of power you put into pedaling the bike. The bike has a lockable front fork suspension, a 9-speed Shimano gear system, hydraulic disc brakes, good quality metal pedals, mudguards that do not rattle, a robust kickstand, and a Velo-made saddle. The front light is very bright for a comfortable night riding. The taillight is visible during the day and night, and it has an integrated brake light. The handlebar grips are some of the nicest I've seen on any e-bike. They are comfortable, they do not irritate my skin, and there are anti-twist locks. The brake levers are nice, the gear shifter is smooth, and there is a thumb throttle. The nicely backlit color display has quite a few features. It allows you to choose between 0, Eco, Normal, Sport, Turbo, and Turbo Plus power assist levels. It also shows information like speed, battery, trip distance, odometer, maximum and average speed, and other information. Press and hold the arrow up key to switch between kilometers and miles. Press and hold the arrow down button to unlock or lock the speed limit. Press and hold the M button to enable or disable cruise control. You can control the dashboard using the buttons below the display or a set of control keys on the left that have a nice backlight. It's nice to see both the electric horn and the traditional bell. Both are loud and effective. Here are a few audio samples. The bike can be connected to the Fiido Riding app via Bluetooth. One of the highlights, you can remotely unlock the battery, which enables keyless operation of the bike. Once you unlock it via the app, simply press the battery and push the security latch to take it out. You can also turn on or off the bike, turn on or off the lights, record your trip, change the device name, bind frame number, lock or unlock the speed limit, enable or disable the throttle, choose the bike's unlocking method, or use a smart unlock feature if you have the fairway watch. You can also use the bike guard feature, but keep in mind that in this mode, the bike can only be turned on using the Fiido app and cannot be switched on from the display. The app also allows you to switch between kilometers and miles, choose between 3 or 5 power assist levels, adjust cruise control, and other features. Fiido Titan is a very comfortable bike both on and off-road. After easily unlocking the speed limit, you can go up to 45 km per hour, but you can obviously reach a higher speed with extra pedaling or riding downhill. Thanks to these massive tires and good ergonomics of the bike, the Titan feels stable even at a high speed. The torque sensor is much better than any cadence sensors. It senses the amount of force you put when pedaling, which results in smooth and more responsive riding experience. The thumb throttle is also responsive and it gives an instant power boost when needed. Off-road capabilities are quite impressive. There is plenty of power and the benefits of the torque sensor are even more noticeable. The tires have good traction with all sorts of terrain and I feel that I can go pretty much anywhere. Climbing capabilities are pretty good too. There is usually enough motor peak power to handle uphill climbs just using the throttle, but you can always pedal for an extra boost for steeper hills or to simply save battery. I found the front suspension to be quite soft and it absorbs the road's impact quite well. There is no rear suspension, but the Velo seat is quite soft and comfy even for longer rides. The 9-gear Shimano system is very nice and smooth, especially when compared to cheaper 7-gear systems. The handlebar grips are comfortable and hydraulic disc brakes are very good at stopping the bike without making any annoying squeaking sounds. The Titan has a good capacity battery, it is lockable with the app, it can be quickly removed for convenient charging at home or kept inside the bike for charging, it has a convenient carrying handle, and there is a capacity indicator. Fiido is among the rare companies that provide real-world range testing results that are highly comparable to my range tests. A huge respect for Fiido for doing this. This table shows what you can exactly expect depending on your riding style. Your mileage may vary, but with my riding style, I could get about 80 km on a single charge, but keep in mind that I use the throttle quite a lot. The declared 135 km range using Eco mode with pedal assist is very realistic. With this 3-battery combo, you can get up to 400 km of range. All you need to do is take out the battery from the case, quickly swap it, and you're good to go. All in all, Fiido Titan is one of my favorite e-bikes of 2024. It is built like a tank, it has plenty of cargo carrying options, the bike has a good amount of power and off-road capabilities that allow you to go pretty much anywhere, the torque sensor is great, the app is loaded with features, and a triple battery combo offers an impressive 400 km maximum range. I also found the bike to be comfortable to ride, and the display is one of my favorites on any e-bike. After using the Fiido Titan for quite some time now, I didn't have any issues and so far I can't name any shortcomings. Therefore, I can confidently recommend the Fiido Titan as one of the best fat tire e-bikes that offers a near excellent combination of power, speed, cargo carrying options, and overall quality. What do you think about Fiido Titan? Would you buy this e-bike or would you choose another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.